price. And I put it on a mountain top.
Happy wedding, Be. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Huwag kang kakabahan na. Kaya mo yan. And yung vow mo, sana nasulat mo na kasi tinanong ko na siya nung kagabi pa lang. Hindi pa daw nasusulat. At sana napagandaan mo talaga, okay?
They'll name a city after us. And later say it's all our fault. Then they'll give us a talking to. Then they'll give us a talking to. 'Cause they've got years of experience.
Hi, Ate Shella, Kuya Junel. Happy wedding po and I hope na magtagal po kayo and maging successful po ang family life. Yun lang po. Thank you.
In the pages. Living in a den of thieves. And it's contagious. And it's contagious. And it's contagious. And it's contagious.
Hindi, ito ay ano. Gagamit ko din to.
We
Pang
wear our
skincare.
scars just like
Rihanna dyan. Pero hindi ito mismo yung skincare. At sa akin maid of honor,
And though our bodies are just like
si Dun. Si Ate Queen lang talaga narinig kong mag-thank you. Joke lang. Ay, si Dun. Ano sa ka-or? Shot na lang.
den of thieves, rummaging for answers in the pages. Den of thieves.
Kanino ba to? Kay Miyuki. At kay Kenneth. Ay, Ken. Thank you! Welcome!
Hi, Ate Shella, Kuya Junel. Happy wedding po. Enjoy your day po. And yun.
Sheila, salamat dahil nag-stay ka sa akin. Nakarating tayo dito sa oras na to. Mahal na mahal kita, Sheila. See you later. Love you.
They made a statue of us. They made a statue of us. The tourists come and stare at us. The sculptors marvel since regards. They made a statue of us. They made a statue of us. Our noses have begun to rust. Den of thieves, rummaging for answers in the pages. Den of thieves is contagious, and it's contagious. It's contagious.
Alam kong pinag-isipan mo ito. Sana magampanan mo ng maayos. Nandito lang ako para sa inyong dalawa ni Sheila. Love you.
It's contagious. It's contagious.
Gusto ko, ano, chill lang. Chill lang. Hindi chill. Kasi, ayoko ng drama. Kasi, ganun tayo eh. Nagkakilala tayo ng hindi madrama. Kumbaga, chill, romantic vibe lang talaga tayo. Promise ko, nandito lang ako. Hindi kita iiwan. Mamahalin ka. Habang buhay.
Nangakong pipiliin kita araw-araw sa susunod pang 9 na taon at 9 ulit at 9 ulit. Sheila, ikaw ang tahanan ko kahit second floor ka dati. At hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng chat ko dahil ngayon buong buhay ko nang ibibigay sa'yo.
You may now kiss the bride. 5, 4,